Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
Wanderlog versus Notion. Which traveling planning tool fits you? So here, I'll be telling you whether Wanderlog or Notion is best for you. So here, Wanderlog is a dedicated travel planner launched in 2019. Wanderlog is specifically designed for creating detailed visual interface, offering features like color code maps and AI-powered recommendations. Comprehensive features, and it has offline access. The Pro version offers essential offline access, ensuring your plans are always at your fingertips and perfect for groups. With a strong focus on a shared experience, Wanderlog simplifies group travel organization. What is Notion for travel? So flexible all-in-one workspace. Notion is highly customizable platform used for notes, database, project management while not travel specific. Customization is key. Its strength lies in incredible flexibility, allowing users to build personalized travel workflows. And manual setup required. However, Notion lacks built-in travel features such as integrated maps, automated budget, and tracking automated. So yeah, there you go. And key difference between them and user experience: Wanderlog integrate an initiative. It has automated itinerary build, visual map integration, streamlined budget tracking, AI-powered recommendation. Notion customizable and powerful, full customization potential, manual workflow creation, versatile for diverse needs, collaboration, and document sharing. Which should you choose? So here, choose Wanderlog simplicity for its simplicity, and choose Notion for customization. Collaboration both supports it, but Wanderlog excels on travel-specific automation and user friendliness, particularly for group trips. And here, final recommendation for travelers prioritizing simplicity, comprehensive trip management, and dedicated travel features. I suggest doing Wanderlog is the one for you because Wanderlog remains the superior choice in the current landscape. So there you go, guys. I hope you guys get the video books enjoyed. If you have any more questions, you can type it down in the comment section below, and we'll be happy to answer you as soon as possible. And thank you, guys.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.